Hello world. Today we are going to learn how to install nodejs in Ubuntu. To install nodejs, we will use a version manager called Node Version Manager. So let us search for Node Version Manager in Google. Node Version Manager. So when we search for it, we can see that the first link is a GitHub repository. Let's go to that repository. When we go to the repository, we can see that it has the instructions for installation and updation. So we will copy this script and then type it in our terminal. So open the terminal in Ubuntu and then paste the script. So as you can see, the nvm or node version manager is getting installed. Now if we type nvm in Ubuntu, it says that command is not found. So let us see why is that. As you can see here, they have mentioned that on Linux, after running the install script, we also need to run another command to make nvm available immediately. So let us copy and paste that script here. And now if we type nvm, we can see that the command is available. And how to install node through nvm. It also mentions to install the latest available version, we need to type in this command. So let us type this command nvm install node. So it is now automatically downloading the latest node version and then it has installed nodejs. Let us see if nodejs is available now. We type node and see we can already access the nodejs console. So let us type console.log hello world, and sure enough it prints hello world. Okay, that's it for today guys. Thank you.